going to the beach today. So, yeah.
We're at the beach.
So pretty.
Look at that. Something ugly is in the way of the view, though. Just kidding. Look at that. Look at those trees. Yeah.
Clearwater Marine Aquarium. We're about to pass it, I think.
I'm surprised you don't like it that much because it looks cool.
It's cool, but there's not really that much
at
to
the
do.
roundabout. Take the third exit onto Coronado
I
Drive.
want to go.
I'll go, but
How much is it? It's like $20 a person. That's ridiculous. It's
I
so
like that
beachy.
Walgreens.
Yeah, that's pretty cool looking.
At
There's
the
the wrong
roundabout,
turn.
take the third exit onto Coronado Drive.
Coronado Drive.
Go, you freaking idiot.
Whoa. Hooters.
Oh, the beach isn't that busy.
Are we going to this beach?
Whoa, yeah, but look, they've got like some weird setup there.
Oh. Yeah, they usually have stuff like that. That's
Prepare
pretty
to park
cool.
your car near Pier 60.
Lady, don't tell me what to
Your
prepare.
destination.
Alright, so we made it to the beach. And this woman got chased by seagulls for her Cuban sandwich. And yeah, so now we're gonna go in the water, but I'm not gonna bring this in the water because I don't want it to get messed up. But yeah, we're gonna go in the water. Hopefully it's not too cold. It probably will. It's probably like 70 degrees.
I want it to be cool.
But yeah, we're just gonna take a dip and then yeah, we'll probably walk around after, but not after we take a dip, but like after we're done on the beach. Alright, we're walking down here, Clearwater Beach.
Oh, yeah.
There's way too many people here. It took us like 30 minutes to find a parking spot. So, yeah, and the water's too cold to swim in. So, yeah, but it's nice and hot.
I'm gonna go back in the...
Seriously?
Yeah, it's
You're gonna
hot.
stop every 5 minutes?
Yeah. We get dry in the water.
Okay. Maybe I'll do some later, but right now I'm like comfortable. So she's gonna go wet her body. Is this creepy to record? It's pretty cool down here. We're actually going to the pier right now, but it's gonna take a while to walk there.
Oh, it's right there.
It's no, oh, yeah. So we're kind of close to the pier, so that's where we're going. All right, almost to the pier. We're on the pier right now. Damn, there's a lot of people on it. But yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Pretty sure it costs. Yeah. What if it's free? Look at this. This beach is jam-packed. We should have gone to freaking Madeira. Wouldn't even have been this packed. Yeah, I mean, this beach is nice.
walking back, and then we're gonna go drive to Ron John. And there she is on her phone, playing the Pokemon Namaka.
So right now we are walking back to the car. We still have an hour left on our meter though. Maybe we could just like sit out in the sun for a little bit. Because I don't want to waste that, you know.
Flow Rider.
No, not that one, the surf style.
Oh yeah, we'll go there.
So we're gonna go into a store because we are trying to waste our meter time. And then we're gonna drive over to Ron John because that's our favorite store. And yeah, so I'm starting to get kind of hot. I think I'm gonna rinse.
Go under that Wendy's thing.
No, I'll do it when I get out of there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, and then we are gonna, yeah.
How much is it? It's probably a lot of money.
It's probably like $100. I
It's
don't
like no
know.
one's there.
This is like some indoor surfing thing. But look at this store. This is pretty cool. They have lighted stairs. I like this store. It smells good in here.
Yeah, it does.
I like the bleach scent. I dig it. Okay. We are done in that store. Is that the same store? Yeah. Okay, so we are gonna go. We're on our way back to the car, but we still have like 40 minutes left. Look at this McDonald's, guys. That's a cool McDonald's. Alright, guys. Way off in the distance is the pirate ship. I think that might be the official pirate ship of Tampa, but I'm not sure. But yeah, pretty cool. We're going to Ron John now, but I'm kind of paranoid that our car is going to get towed because we parked in the towaway zone.
Huh?
I said I'm kind of paranoid that our car is going to get towed because we parked in a towaway zone, but we're going to be really quick. So here's Ron John. I'm super excited to go in here because I'm obsessed with this store. But, wow. Okay.
Couldn't be any more obnoxious.
Okay, so we're going in. Alright, so we just got out of Ron John, and look, our car is still here. Wait, that's not our car. This is our car. Our car is still here, or should I say my car? So, yes. Didn't get anything in Ron John because everything was too expensive, and I didn't have enough money. But, yeah, so now we're going home. I'm really tired. Yeah, kind of wants some like frozen yogurt, but I don't know. Anyway, yeah. We're leaving. We're stuck in some gnarly traffic, and this isn't even a busy part of town, is it?
I don't know.
I don't know. I mean, I know where I am, but I don't like it. Anyway, so yeah, we're driving home right now. It's, what time is it? That's not the right time. It's like 5:15.
5:19.
Oh, well, whatever. It's like 5:19 right now. And, hopefully you can see me. Yeah, we're driving home from the beach right now. This is not the way that I wanted to come home, but whatever. It was quicker. If we would have gone the way that we came, it probably would be even longer.
Yeah, it took us too long to get here.
But yeah, so right now we're just
having some girl talk. We're having.
You know what I can't wait to do tonight? Take a shower. It's gonna feel so good and refreshing. I love taking a shower after the beach.
Do you want to come to my house after?
I already told you I don't know.
Oh.
So yeah, look at all these people. Not really that many people, but